Well, the CBI chief continues to face the heat over reports that he met several people who were being investigated by the agency at his residence. Times Now tracks down visitors at Ranjit Sinha's residence in the second part of our investigation.
Multiple entries in a logbook that was allegedly kept at the CBI chief Ranjit Sinha's house have been the cause of much trouble for Sinha, with pressure building on him. If these diary entries are true, who are these people who allegedly met the CBI boss? Times Now tries to locate some of them. Their first stop, Old Delhi's Chandni Chowk.
White Fortuner DL4C AP 8000 is registered in the name of Rajendra Gupta at this address in the narrow lanes of Sitaram Bazaar. Rajendra Gupta is supposed to be one of the many visitors to CBI Chief Ranjit Sinha's official residence. When we spoke to his mother here, she says she has no idea what he does, where he lives, or at what time he will be available. ये राजेंद्र गुप्ता जी का घर है? घर में कोई है? जरा बुलाइए.
But Rajendra Gupta's mother clamped up, refusing to disclose any details about her son.
राजेंद्र गुप्ता जी आपके कौन हैं लगते हैं?
है तो मेरा बेटा, लेकिन मेरे कुछ पता नहीं.
ये उनकी वो गाड़ी कौन सी चलाते हैं?
मुझे पता ही नहीं है तो मैं आपको क्या बताऊँ.
उनका ऑफिस कहाँ पे है और
मुझे कुछ पता ही नहीं है तो मैं आपको क्या बताऊँ. जब मुझे कुछ पता होगा तो मैं आपको बताऊँगी. मुझे कुछ पता ही नहीं है.
राजेंद्र गुप्ता जी जो थे वो इस गाड़ी में, जिस गाड़ी का हमने जिक्र किया है, वो सीबीआई चीफ रंजीत सिन्हा के घर जो लोग गए थे उनमें से वो भी एक थे जो मिलने गए थे. आप इस बारे में कुछ बता पाएंगे?
मुझे कुछ नहीं पता.
Another alleged entry in the diary leads Times Now to this posh colony in South Delhi, home to one Vinay Sehgal, who shows up many times in the diaries.
Mr. Sehgal से मिल सकता हूँ? नहीं है. अभी घर पे नहीं है. अच्छा. ये हम यहीं हैं, आप बता दीजिएगा.
While Vinay Sehgal did not come out, all the three cars mentioned in the alleged entry logs at the CBI chief's house were found parked outside his house. After a while, Vinay Sehgal did show up.
Sehgal. Can I talk to you, Mr. Sehgal? Can I talk to you, Mr. Sehgal?
One of the cars that allegedly makes an entry at 2 Janpath is DL1YC 6917, registered to one Virender Singh, resident of this Humayunpur village near the NCC office in Delhi.
अरे वीरेंद्र, वीरेंद्र,
सर कोई टैक्सी किसी गगन जी नाम के आदमी ने इस्तेमाल
नहीं, वो चलाते हैं किसी. हाँ? वो तो उनके फादर हैं.
While Virender Singh's father couldn't tell us much, the neighbors were more forthcoming.
नहीं, जो नंबर आप बता रहे हैं ना, वो उन्हीं के पास में ही है. ठीक है, लेकिन वो ये ऐसे नहीं पता ना कि वो किसके पास आते हैं. 99% उनके पास जितने भी आते हैं वो सब एयरपोर्ट के आते हैं.
अच्छा, एयरपोर्ट की.
It is not clear who these people are or what connect they allegedly have with the CBI boss. But the heat is on this man to explain why the alleged long list of assorted visitors made a beeline to his house. Bureau Report, Times Now.